Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add serial numbers in Microsoft Word table. So like this you want to insert the serial number in Microsoft table. So that is very simple and easy way. Select cells where you need number like from here to here. Select it and in the home tab, here the option numbering. Click this drop down and select any style of number. Number with dots or number with this bracket. Also you can insert this number format and select center. Similarly you can insert entire column like this. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.